No bother, mastering casual English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a casual, yet very common English phrase, no bother. Whether you've heard it in a movie, a song, or in a conversation with a native speaker, you might be wondering about its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in and get to grips with this handy expression. The phrase, no bother, is a casual expression used in English-speaking countries to convey that something is not a problem or not troublesome. It's similar to other phrases like, no problem, don't worry about it, or, it's all good. It's a way of reassuring someone that the task or favor they are asking for is not causing any inconvenience. You can use no bother in a variety of situations. Here are some examples. When someone apologizes for asking for your help or for causing you a slight inconvenience, you can say, no bother at all. If you're asked if you can do something and you want to agree without making a big deal of it, you might respond with, sure, no bother. When you want to let someone know they don't need to rush or stress about something, you might say, take your time, it's no bother. It's important to understand the tone and context when using the phrase, no bother. It's informal and best used in casual conversation. It may not be appropriate in very formal settings or official communication. Tone. Keep your tone friendly and relaxed when saying, no bother, as it's a phrase that's meant to put people at ease. Context. Use it with friends, family, or colleagues with whom you have a casual rapport. English is rich with variations and synonymous phrases. Instead of no bother, you could also use no worries, not a problem, happy to help, it's okay. Each of these conveys a similar level of reassurance and casual politeness. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase, no bother, and you feel more comfortable using it in your daily English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in context will help make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, no bother, give it a try. We'll see you in the next video. And as always, happy learning!